Yeah, for real. Anyways, hi everybody. Welcome back to my phone's falling down. Welcome back. This is gonna be my first mukbang video, which means I'm gonna be eating for you guys. Yeah. Also, I graduated. That's nice. Anyway, Buffalo Ranch, one of my favorite sauces from Little Caesars. Hey, fun fact, Caesar did not make salad. Like, the guy from history did not make the Caesar salad. They just chose that name randomly. Yeah. I also got some chips from Dollar Tree, but this one is not it. My sister didn't want these chips anymore, and she gave them to me. This stuff is good. Like, spicy sweet chili. Probably reading it wrong. This is like not new. Billions of people have done this before, but like I'm doing it anyway because I like it. And my drink is some nice water. Usually, I would be talking about the snacks, but now I'm just talking about what I'm eating. Which is a pepperoni pizza from Little Caesars. Also got these things. Tried them earlier, they taste pretty good. They're like bootleg Pringles made by the potato chip company. They taste pretty good. I usually do. Well, I usually just eat while watching TV, but now you guys are watching me while I eat. Shout out to my grandma who got me a gift card for a graduation gift. It had like $46. I love my grandmas. I'm gonna be trying these with the pizza now. That's good. Today was pretty cool today. Thanks. Sorry, I kept on being distracted by the food. This is my favorite. And they are the best pizza brand. Thanks to my mom, my sister, my brother, my grandma. I also have the Rice Krispie, but I don't know if I'm going to eat it this video. After I'm done making this video, I'm probably going to like eat the rest of my snacks. Also, those are the rest of my snacks. I don't have time to show them all. Like this tank top. Good. It looks nice on me. I would show you guys my diploma, but my hands are all greasy and I don't want to get dirty. Wait, I have to do something real quick, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to press record. I ate like most of this. This stuff is good. Obviously not sponsored, but you guys gotta try Little Caesars. I'm gonna do something. For like my last bite of Little Caesars pizza. Not ever, but for this video, all 3 chips. This stuff is amazing. Sorry. Hope you guys liked my mukbang video. I thought I wouldn't be able to finish this pizza in time, but I guess I did. Bye, guys. "30 seconds left. Here's 30 seconds to the video. I said bye a little bit early, but bye, guys. I said it early again. Sorry. No, sorry. This is my video. Bye.